Mr. and Miss Kalikasan 2025 for Kindergarten Department. Okay, and now let us proceed. Our Mr. Kalikasan 2025. Akila Albina from Kinder 2 Department. It means Miguel Mandaga from Kinder 1 is our first runner-up. Okay, let us please take a picture first. Okay. Okay, so these are the general average for our contestant.
Ano ba? Yung po. Hindi na naman ang miss na sabi sa
For Akila Joriel A. Albina, 89.73%. And now, let's have